in similar way, the O2 enter in cell by the process of diffusion when that level of concentration of O2 outside the cell is high and inside the cell the O2 concentration is low, so that move inside the cell for the process of the respiration. So diffusion play an important role in the gaseous exchange between the cell as well as the external environment. So water is also follow the law of diffusion. So the movement of water molecule through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. Okay, the movement of molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. Clear? What is osmosis? The movement of water molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration through a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. The movement of water across the plasma membrane is also affected by the amount of substance dissolved in water. So the rate of osmosis is also going to depend on the concentration of molecule. If that concentration is high of solute, then that movement is slow. So the pure water have the maximum movement. In the osmosis, the movement of water from region of high concentration to region of low concentration of water through the semi-permeable membrane. So next question is going to be rises, what will happen if we put an animal cell or plant cell in a solution of sugar or salt in water? So in the different cases we are going to be here in discuss. So in first case, if the medium of surrounding of the cell has high concentration, that is outside the solution is very dilute and cell will gain water by the osmosis. Such solution is known as hypotonic solution. Here in this figure we have going to be seen the concentration of water outside the cell is high, the concentration of water inside the cell is low. So water move from high concentration to low concentration. Because the high water concentration, so water molecule move inside the cell and cell getting swell. So water molecule can free to pass across the cell membrane both direction, but more will be come inside the cell because here and there not the selective permeable, because it are that the easily move inside and outside the cell. So water enter inside the cell and the cell likely to swell, because when the water is going to enter inside the cell, in the cell is going to be swell, and by this type of solution is called the hypotonic solution. In that second case we have seen here in that outside the cell the concentration of water is low and inside the concentration is high. So just inverse, just opposite of the hypotonic solution. In the hypertonic solution, that molecule move from inside to the outside cell. In the third case is that isotonic solution, because the concentration of the water inside and outside the cell is same, so no net movement we are going to be observed in isotonic solution.